in that the patient was not at all compliant towards the medication.
Okay.
So when we talk about compliance, what are the things that we should avoid saying? Or
Okay.
what should we say?
Okay, so your observation is that in yesterday's this thing, the patient was not compliant at all.
So how do, like if the patient is not being compliant to the medication,
Okay,
then how do we go about telling them that they have
to comply.
to comply?
Okay, so the point is if you are raising the issue of yesterday's, then yesterday the issue was of compliance or the issue was of something else?
It was of anger.
It was of resistance, बोले तो?
So मतलब बहुत डिफेंसिव था पेशेंट का. I think it was of that गुस्सा आता है.
Okay.
पता नहीं मैं यार.
Oh, that's interesting. What was the problem yesterday? I mean, what was the issue yesterday? Was the issue anger?
Yes.
Sorry?
So the patient ने laptop.
तुम आई थी क्या कल? अच्छा. Was the issue anger?
So one of the issue.
Yes or no? बोलो. Saying yes. Okay. Was the issue resistance? What do we mean by resistance over here? Who said? What do we mean by resistance over here?
Not communicating with the.
Okay, so we are saying there was resistance. See, the point is, the issue was not at all anger, the issue was not at all resistance, the issue, the moment we say resistance, that means we are putting the client into the negative light. We so-called mental health professionals prefer to do that. The issue is not compliance at all. I mean, the issue of compliance is when I say that yes, मुझे बीमारी है और मैं दवा नहीं लेनी. हाँ, so here we are saying the core is that the person believes that I have nothing. I mean, sumne I am being, just like that I am being given treatment. I have no issues at all. You are forcibly giving me treatment. So once you are able to make that person understand, or that person is able to make you understand that I have nothing, I am being given treatment wrong, or you are able to make the person understand that yes, maybe you need treatment, rest of the things will fall into place. Where is the issue? So let's not say that this is issue of the compliance. क्योंकि वो तो बात की बात है. वो तो तब है जब बंदा एग्री हो गया, बंदा कहता है ओके या मे बी यू आर राइट, एंगर की प्रॉब्लम मुझे है ही, गलत नहीं लेके आ रही है मुझे, अच्छा मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, तो तब हम कहते हैं ओके सो फाइन, आई मीन सो एवरीथिंग इज ओके, यस 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 यू आर राइट, तो ठीक है. तो फिर जो दवा लिखी है वो तो दवा नहीं लूंगा मैं, नहीं, दवा मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Okay, so would you be willing to come for counseling and all? No, I don't need counseling. Yes, I have problem of anger. I can manage it on my own. Or see again, ये psychology वालों की गड़बड़ होती है. मैं एग्री करता हूँ कि मेरा कोई बिहेवियर खराब है, इसका मतलब ये कहाँ लिखा है कि मैं उसको ठीक करना चाहता हूँ? कमाल है. मैं एग्री करता हूं कि मेरा ये बिहेवियर खराब है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं ठीक करना, मुझे तो मजा आता है इसमें. ड्रग्स यूज करता हूं, हाँ करता हूं, बंद कर दो, बंद नहीं करनी. क्यों बंद नहीं करनी? इसके बिना जिंदगी नहीं है. ये तो आप डिसाइड कर रहे हो ना, ये तो आप डिसाइड कर रहे हो ना कि मुझे तो नहीं करना है. दिस इज योर प्रायोरिटी दैट विदाउट ड्रग्स योर लाइफ विल बी गुड. For me, no. But do I agree that this is a problematic behavior? Yes. I'm not denying the fact that it is a problematic behavior. But does that mean that I should work on it? No. Simple. और ये सब साइकोलॉजी वाले हम गड़बड़ करते हैं. जैसे हमने कोई कॉग्निटिव डिस्टोर्शन पकड़ी, कोई चीज पकड़ी, एक तो हम कॉग्निटिव डिस्टोर्शंस पकड़ते बहुत हैं. सो जैसे हमने कुछ पकड़ा, उसी वक्त हमें उसको ठीक करना है. क्यों? जो भी चीज खराब है वो ठीक होनी चाहिए. ये तो कहीं नहीं लिखा. जिस दिन